Hi guys, today we are gonna learn that how we can mingle with a new person, how we can interact with a new person if he is a stranger to you. So as well as today I'm gonna introduce a new face who will be with me in my coming videos. So who is none other than but he, and you can see easily on my videos. Introduce yourself briefly.
My name is Kaise. I am from the Sarakhut, which is in Kodarma district.
Yes. Okay, Keshav. So what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing flute as well as reading books.
Okay.
And
Yes.
I also want to know that
Yeah. Why not? Because
from you.
mm, hobby means the work do willingly without any pressure. It's called hobby. So I like to read books and playing chess. These all things. These are all things that I like to do in my leisure period. Okay.
And from where did you learn the chess? Because chess is very
Yeah.
difficult for anyone.
Yeah, I have learned playing chess from the YouTube. If you will watch the one videos of 20 minutes, then this video is enough to learn that playing chess, that how you can play chess. Okay, Keshav, you had mentioned that you like to play flute during your leisure period.
Yeah.
So may I know that how you learned playing flute? It is very we occasionally listen the sound of flute. So tell me how you learned.
I learned from a flute from the application that is YouTube channel. You can also learn from YouTube channel anything.
Yeah.
Not anything, but channel.
Okay, Keshav. So, what is your qualification?
My qualification is I'm in I am in semester 1.
Okay. So, and when you have completed your 10th.
I have completed my 10th class in 2021.
Okay, 2020. It seems that you are junior 1 year from.
I want to know from you also.
Yes.
That is, say yourself in brief.
Okay. So, my name is Prakash Mandal, and I am a proper resident of Nagar Keshwari, which comes in Giri district, and I have completed my 10th in 2020. Then after I moved forward for 12th, where I have completed my 12th in 2022, and right now I am a student of BA, and I am pursuing my BA with English honors.